My video is dedicated to help you get rid of the ransomware called Hgkd. This Hgkd is the ransomware from the DJVU ransomware family. My video though is solely for the educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will just show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files. So you have just clearly seen that before the ransomware attack, we were able to open the files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documentation, and other data. But sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Hgkd ransomware may be very easily injected into the device. And so then suddenly users realize that they can no longer access the data that they store on their hard drives. Typically, after restarting their computers, they suddenly notice the negative impact of this ransomware Hgkd on the files. This ransomware is called like that because it encrypts files and appends this Hgkd extension to the file names. So it's obviously impossible to use the data anymore. The ransomware would then tell the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying their ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee the file restoration. So don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to urgently remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the application, install the software, and then start researching your system. So Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode, so only this quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the application would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. I want to emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature. This feature allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their location. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend that you upgrade to Premium. This way your data will be protected in the future. And speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.